Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 8th class 5th lesson, forest and using and protecting. Right? Forest using and protecting. Right? See, what is mean by forest? Right? What is mean by forest, Nana? The forest mean the used land which is covered with lots of plants, right? The used land which is covered with lots of plants is called forest, right? This is the one of the definition. This is the one of the definition. You might say the forest means where the animals live is called forest, right? You have to say, you can see the where the different plants and the trees are the growth. These are the we call the forest. You can see where people doesn't live. That is not suitable for the people. You can say that is the forest. And you can say where those are the dangerous animal we can easily they can live. Where the dangerous animals houses, where they live the dangerous animals houses, that is called the forest. You can see the different opinion in the different definition of the forest, right? But end of the day, finally what we can see, the forest which is covered with the land. So without trees and without the plants, we couldn't say that the forest, right? That is a forest. See, in the forest, what we feel now? In what we found, we can feel many things. We can see the many things, right? Like we can see the in forest trees, right? Different kind of plants, right? Rivers, right? Ponds, right? Waterfalls, right? Animals, right? What we see now, the trees, plants, rivers, ponds, water plant, and animals, and what we found on here, different soils we can found all those in the forest, right? Different woods, and what we found on here, anything else, right? And different insects, right? Different insects we can found, right? Many insects we can found in the forest. See, not only this is many things done. You can feel the many things. We can found the minerals also. We can found the different minerals also, different woods also, different medical, which is the tree and which are the leaves used for the medical also. We see all those things we can found in the forest. All those things we can found in the forest. See, all are we are the found this forest. And see, in the most of the forest, which is the forest where the man livelihood depend on the forest, those are the living on the forest, right? In the forest, which kind of the peoples where they live, Nana? Which kind of peoples where they live? You can see the tribals, right? The tribal people, we call them Adivasis, right? We call them the Adivasis. In the tribals, which community is there only depend on the forest, and which community only lives in the forest from their ancient is called the tribals. In the tribals, they have the different communities, right? In tribals, Lambadas, Goats, Chenchus, Pradhans, right? We can found the many things, Nana. We can found the many things in the different according to the areas, according to where. In Telangana, we can found these all those things. In the Maharashtra, we can found the different. In Madhya Pradesh, we can found the bale, right? In Tamil Nadu, we can found those who are the living Adivasis, those who are the living in the Ooty areas with the Chenchas, all those things. In the different area, in the different state, we found the different community, those who are the living in the forest, In Telangana, those are the tribal communities, those are the living in the forest. These tribal communities, mostly depend on the forest land. Mostly depend on the forest, their livelihood, all those things. If you want to build their houses, they can cut the bamboos, right? Do you know the bamboo? Due to this bamboo, they can make their houses. They can make their houses. If they need, if they those are the small streams were there automatically flows. This small streams is used for the cultivation. This small streams used for their cultivation. In the small streams also used for the water also. In those who are the living in the forest, and they are depend on the forest. If we take a food, if any kind of the drought will happen, if floods will happen due to the heavy rains, all those things. In those who are the living in the nearby the forest area, they doesn't feel much worry. They doesn't worry, right? Why? Because their main livelihood depend on the forest. They can went to the forest. They can start with the digging roots, right? They can easily survive with eating roots also. They easily survive to eat roots and different kind of the fruits, all those things. Why? Because they can easily generate the forest. We can find the many roots and the many fruits in the forest, so they can easily survive. And one time they can easily to hunt. Sometimes they goes for the hunt. Sometimes goes for the hunt and taking those arches and all those things. And they can hunt the small animals. They can hunt the small animals like kind of the rabbits, right? And all those things, right? So this kind of animals, due to this kind of animals, they can feed their children and they can survive, right? Why? Because the most of the people, they can almost those who are living in the forest, the tribal people, they can eat very naturally. What we eating nowadays? Whatever we are eating, it's a content in the chemical. If you take a milk, if you take a chicken, in the chicken will be like the pig chicken will be there. After they giving the steroid, it will be become a huge. So this kind of all those things we are doing, all those we are the causing for the. Everyone knows that, but still we are doing. Why? Because we don't have the option, right? But when it comes to those tribal people, they eat all those things. Why? Because they mostly depends on the forest. Those who are living in the tribal peoples, if you set them to move to the towns, if government tries to do this all those people to move to the towns, they wouldn't survive in the towns. Why? Because this town life is different, and those who are living in the forest life is different, right? They were the way. This also the Britishers also they tried, but they couldn't succeed. That's why they made a separate laws. They made a separate law for the tribal people. So on the tribal people, those who are using their lands, they has to cultivate. They cultivate their land, but they couldn't have the right to sell, and other people don't have the right to buy, right? Tribal people also they don't have right to sell their land, and other people also they doesn't have to buy this land. Why? Because it belongs to the tribal people. Why? Because they couldn't move this tribal people to the towns. Why? Because it's due to their livelihoods depends on the forest, right? But government has to be protect forest and has to be protect their citizens, right? So that's why they made a separate law for which is useful for only the tribal. So that's why called the assigned land. In assigned land doesn't have that kind of the each and every land has to be you can buy and you can sell. In assigned land, only those who are given by the tribal peoples, they has to be the cultivate and they can grow, but they don't have right to sell, and no one has to have right to buy that land, right? That is because so that's why the government made for the separate land for the tribal people, those who are living in the forest, right? See, on the tribal people, if they depends on all those in the forest, and what kind of the cultivation? See, we have the Podu cultivation, or we can say the shifting cultivation. What was Podu? Important word. Shifting cultivation. What does mean by Podu? The Podu means when he needs the land, when he wants to cultivate. These are the forest, right? Here the living here is the one small town. When he wants to cultivate, he cut the trees. He cut the trees. He almost deforested here. The cut the trees and the started the cultivation. He just started the cultivation. After the 2 years, the 5 years, then after that he wants to the another land. He wants to the another land. Here they cut the trees and the made it the kind of the cultivation, the plants, all those crop growth. See, this is called good. This is not a perfect shifting one place to the another place. So then next year the another place, and he is moving one place to the another place. Then we will also start the code. Why? Because due to this shifting cultivation, we are the losing the trees. We are the losing trees. We are the losing trees means nothing but we are the losing the forest. When we are losing the forest, nothing but we are the causing for the what we can say, we are the causing for the pollution, and we are the causing for the differentiation in the seasons and temperature also. The main cause is differentiation in the temperature. When we have the differentiation temperature, we have the differentiation season, right? So that's why it's all causes for this. It's not only for this. This is one of the reasons. So that's why government also they take in the charge for the. We have to be stop the Kodu cultivation. There has to be stop the Kodu cultivation, and they made a one separate law. Though no one has to be do the Kodu cultivation, right? No one has to be do Kodu cultivation. Why? Because they need to protect the river. They need to protect the all those forests, right? And we can this forest, we have the different forests. We have in the forest, we have the separate the biospheres and all those things, right? Biospheres and all those things we have. What is the biospheres, Nana? In the biosphere means which is a large area where the different plants and different cells in this plant, in this area, those who are the growing the plants, which is helpful to the medicine purpose. What is that? Which is helpful to the medicine purpose. In India, we have many biosphere. In the Assam, we have the biosphere and the Western Ghats. Western Ghats means which is located from the Kerala, Karnataka, and all those things. When it end of the Tamil Nadu, it start with the Kerala, Karnataka, end of the Tamil Nadu. These are the biosphere. In the biosphere, we have the most of the what we have the, we know the Veerappan, those who has a big mustache, right? The Veerappan also is started to the extraction. He started to the extraction, all those things, and elephants, what we can say, elephants, eyes or teeth, all those things, right? See, these are the extraction. See, what kind of extraction happened? What kind of the extraction happened from the forest? What, Nana? The number one, food. Next, animals on, right? This kind of two. And third one, mining. Third one, mining. What will happen now? See, wood. The wood is, do you know the thing, right? Wood is the main thing for the extraction starting from the forest, right? Starting from the forest. See, nowadays everyone they have to start the door different style, all those things. But then for them they need for the wood, right? For them they need for the wood. In the America, most of the people they build by their houses by the wood. For that they need for the wood. See, the wood is the main thing. Wood is the main thing. Those who are living in the forest, those who are living in the forest on that area, they depends on the firewoods also. They depends on the firewoods also. But the most of the people, those who are related by the political people in the mafia, they will do the wood mafia. So they will do the cut the trees and they shifting one place to the another place through the all those things. And next, animal hunts. Animal hunts is the two types of animal hunts. One is the animal hunts, those who are Adivasis to do for the living purpose, and another one is the business purpose. See, we have produced many things, right? You can kill the lions and you can kill the tigers for the only the skin purpose. Why? Because this skin is a very valuable and skin is used for the instrumental and all those things, the music purpose, all those things we can say, all those things, right? Sometimes we kill the animals, sometimes we kill the animals. So animals teeth, we can say all those things that is used for the medical purpose, all those things we kind of have. This kind of animal, the elephant is the destruction, elephant is the extraction is happened mostly in the Assam and when it comes to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. And third one is the mining. See, in the mining, before that we don't have that kind of before the 2000 earlier we don't have that kind of the variation in India. But after the 2001, 2002 we started the mining of digging all over. Why? Because the mining, when you the mining it will be find the kind of the minerals. For that purpose you have to deforest. First for that purpose you have to deforest. When you have to deforest, it will be the call for the Pollution. Why? Because when you have the most of the deforest, it will be receive the more heat. It will be warm. Earth surface get warm. When earth surface get warm, it will be cause for the ice will melting. When the ice will melting, the sometimes the we can see the coastal line, the coastal area will be increased. All those things will be causes for happening in each and one. Right? This is the one of the reason. See, in this session we learn what is the forest and what kind of the forest we have. Next session we learn what kind of forest, how many different forests and all those things, right? I hope you understood. Thank you.